This video is to show how to upload a vendor's task into their dashboard. So the one we are going to upload right now is for Scott Slatton at 4525 Lisa Court in Montgomery, Alabama. So what we're going to do is scroll up and click System Users. And we're going to find Scott Slatton's login information. So here in the search box, we're going to type in Slatton. And here's Scott's login information. So we're going to click View Password. And what I like to do is have a sticky note here, so all I need to do is copy and paste Scott's username and password. Okay, and now that we have Scott's login information, I'm going to log out of my dashboard and log into Scott's using his login information. And we're just going to copy and paste his information into the box and log in, and here is Scott's dashboard. And the first thing that we have to do is the occupancy check. So we're going to scroll down and it is vacant, and we're going to click confirm that the property is vacant, and then scroll down. The property is secure and the lockbox combination is 0411 since this is a Blue Mountain property, and 2 doors allow entrance to the property. Water and electricity are on. There is an electric meter present, but we do not know the numbers on it, so we're just going to fill in zeros for this one. And there was no personal property found, so you can select no for all 3 of these options, and then no for no active roof leaks, no for this question, no for this question, and no for this question, and you can leave all of these boxes blank. And now we scroll down and we're ready to upload pictures. Okay, and here we are able to select the files that we want to upload. So we're going to find the property, and it is 4525 Lisa Court. So we're going to select this, and for this one we're going to choose the house and address. So what you can do instead of individually uploading them is hit the control key and then click on each picture that you want to include, and this allows you to select more than one picture at a time. Okay, let's see, we've got 22 here we're going to upload. Okay, and we scroll down and it says photos uploaded successfully, so we click continue. And instead of having to label all these individually, click this button here that says click here to select all, and then go to the category drop down box and select other, and then click apply, and that labels all of them. And the required categories that we do need to label are front view, side view, street view, and address. So we'll go ahead and label this one front view, this one side view, this one street view, and this one shows the address. So now all the correct ones are labeled and we can complete this task. And now the occupancy check task has disappeared from Scott's dashboard. So now we can move on to the property detail report. Okay, now we are going to do the property detail report. So we click on this task, and we do not have a property report filled out for Scott Slatton, so we're just going to have to fill in this the best we can. So for condition, we'll put good, subdivision NA, and neighborhood pride of ownership high. And for the lockbox codes, you can just choose any of these. And in personal property, no. Electric meter, we are not sure of the number for this, so we'll just put zeros. Water, city, and the water location, you can put street. And then sewer, city as well. And property style, single family home. And it is 1 story. And we're not sure how many bedrooms and bathrooms, so we'll just say 2 beds, 1 bath, and 1 half bath. And parking, we'll put driveway. Exterior, we're not sure, so we'll put vinyl. Driveway is dirt. Foundation is slab. HVAC type, we'll put central air other. Water heater type, we'll put electric. And floor covering, just so that we have them all, we can select the one that says carpet, vinyl, tile, and wood. And then laundry location, none. And then for these, you can just fill in with ones, since we do not know the correct measurements. Okay, and we're not sure of the square footage, so we'll just put a number in for this. And then scroll down, and these boxes must be filled, so you can put please, or you can put utilities are safe to turn on at this time, and then just copy and paste, just so that we have these boxes filled in. Okay, now we're going to upload the photos, and it says we need at least 35, so hit the control key on the keyboard and click the photos that you would like to include. Go ahead and put the Rekey pictures in here. And this is great because he's given us a lot of Rekey pictures, and he's showing us exactly what he did and how many doors he rekeyed and the correct lockbox. So this is good. Okay, so that's 80 pictures, so that's plenty for us. We're going to click upload.
So, but I appreciate you calling me back. But in the future, if you want to check out our website, PresPro, PresPro, and I'm not sure if you're signed up or not. But we're always looking for videos. It was PRESPRO.
Okay, and they are almost done uploading. Couple more seconds. And now they're finished. So we can click continue. And here are all our pictures that we uploaded. So again, we're going to click here to select all. Go to the drop down box and select other, then click apply. And the ones we need here are the same ones as before: front view, side view, street view, and address. So we'll do this one as street view, this one is front view, and this is the address, and this is the side view. So now that we've got the appropriate ones labeled, we can complete this task. And now the only task that we have left is the rekey and resecure. Okay, we are now going to complete the rekey task for Scott. So we scroll down. The number of doors he rekeyed was 2. Number of knobs replaced, 2. Number of deadbolts replaced, 2. And all sliding doors are secure. So now we can upload our pictures. Select files. And we'll go ahead and get a couple of the house and address, and then scroll back down and get all of our rekey pictures.
Eric, this Middleton one,
And it actually looks like Scott rekeyed 3 doors, so we'll have to go back in and change that information. But he's given us some great pictures showing all of his master lockbox and tools that he used for the rekey. So there are our pictures. I'm going to click upload. Okay, and now our pictures are in there, and we're going to go ahead and change these to 3 since he did change 3 locks. And click continue.
this Middleton one in Wisconsin. Do you know if that's just rekey? Because I try to search for bid, I can't. It's due on Friday. The rekey was due Friday.
Okay, so now all of our pictures are uploaded, and we're going to click here to select all. Go to the drop down box and select other, then click apply, and then we need our front view. We'll do this one as street view, address, and then we'll do this one as side view, and then we need the lockbox code and the key in the lockbox. So here's the lockbox code, which we can see is 0411. And then let's see if we can find one with the key in the lockbox. And I'm not seeing one, so we'll just put this one as key in the lockbox. So that should label all the required categories. So we're going to click complete task. And now all of Scott's tasks for that property are completed.